good that they are not come when you know they are bad. It's good that it not come on.
Videos.
Oh, like that. That's your life, no? But that's not her life, right? They were upset with you or they were upset with your mother? With you. It's their loss, not your loss. Seriously. On that 11th day and 13th day, we believe that 3 generations of our, like when your mother is there, no? So your mother's mother, but the sound goes with there, no? This crowd and everything. So there is concept in our Jyotish Shastra, right? There is concept called as a Sani Sade Sati. This will come 3 times in your life. This is actually tasty. You can try once. That will come 3 times in your life. I don't know. You know the popcorn.
This is the best thing that can happen to anybody.
Just coffee. And it will come for 7.5 years of the life. Once it comes to 7.5 years, it will be there. Most during that the second Sadisati is the toughest one. When we are young and energetic and all that stuff. So, what the Shani does, in this period, whatever thing you are very confident with, he will come and hit you there. And this Sadisati, nobody can avoid. It will come in everybody's life. If you show your Kundali to a Jyotisha, right, they will tell you. It depends on the Rashi. So every Rashi will have that Sadisati period. My Sadisati period got over last year. So that will, every Rashi will have that fixed set of Sadisati period. So, and when that comes, you will have all kind of these problems. Family problems, financial problems, career-wise, relationship-wise, and all those.
How long does it last?
7.5 years. That is what is called as Sadisati. Sat is 7. So 7.5 years it will last. So for that 7.5 years, it will trouble you in all the areas where you are very confident of. Where you think that I can never go wrong, nothing will happen to me, the Shani will come and hit you there. Like if you are very confident that I can take care of my finances, he'll come and take your money. If you say I'm very intelligent and very confident of your career, he'll create problems in your job. If you say I'm very confident of my relationship, he'll come create problems in your relationship. Like that. So nobody can escape that. If only something like that happens, there's a problem. And it happens with everybody. I have been a relationship counselor right from my college days. Anybody with a boyfriend-girlfriend problem, they used to come to me. And I was very good in handling that, getting them patched up, getting the issues resolved, getting address and all those kind of things. I could not save my own marriage. Isn't it? I could not save my own marriage.
What about 7.5 Sadisati in old age?
That time he will not trouble you much. He will not trouble you much. So the middle age is when he troubles you. When you are between 20 to 40, right? Trouble you.
I love this coffee. I love this. It's so nice. I have not had anything like this. So good. If my brother-in-law is watching, I think you have missed it. Yeah, Bob's it is. Bob's it is. Raj.
Cannot avoid.
ಯಾಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಆಗಿದೆ
ಇದೇನು ಅಲ್ಲ
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್
just kidding. No, just kidding.
I don't think I can handle
The solution for Sadisati is you have to be humble. Never be confident or overconfident of anything in your life.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
Never be overconfident of yourself or anybody or anything in your life. If you think this person will never ditch me, this person will never go wrong, this person will I totally depend on him, that person will come and ditch you. That person will come and create a problem. Shani, huh?
I am Shani
What about people born on 1?
8 is 7
No, who is for the people who are born on 1?
ಮನ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗ
10 December.
That's why for a C-section, everybody will go choose number one date.
Yeah.
Because they want the kids to be born. Shah Rukh Khan, Aishwarya Rai, all one. One is very successful.
Oh. Daughter-in-law will be there at home, so I will need to read it fully and then again tell whatever it is. So they went again next time. Daughter-in-law was very arrogant. This is the only job I have to do or what. Like the old man is saying, this is the Rashi and all, the date and all that stuff. Then he recalled, now I remember you had come. What he said, whatever happened was bound to happen. Otherwise, you would have listened to my advice then. Why didn't you listen to my advice? Because this was bound to happen. This was not unavoidable. So that is why I did not listen. Then he said, there is another yoga of a boy child for us. So you do this yoga now. The next child will be born will be very healthy and very fit. And that guy has passed 10th today. That kid has passed 10th today.
Is he there still astrologer?
No, he would have passed on. Why you want to? What do you want to do in astrology? Tell me. What is going to happen with you in your life? Why you want to know what happens? That will be so
I
good.
get only surprises and sudden shocks.
That
I want to know at least.
see, okay. So let me show a mirror to you. Yeah. In that phase, you had all fun and everything.
What do you have to say to my
It doesn't matter. The mindset matters, right? If you're born and brought up in that particular kind of a culture, even a kid will feel that something is wrong.
Exactly. By the way, I wanted to tell you this, they are doing donation on my mother's name.
No, I'm telling you honestly. See, I'll tell you honestly. Don't judge them also. See, they're doing whatever they're doing because they feel they are right and you are wrong. So from their shoes, that is truth.
What about their guilt? Maybe they're doing out of guilt also.
Leave it to them. They are doing it out of guilt. They are doing it out of selfishness. They are doing it out of whatever it is. That is left to them. You know you are genuine. You know in your heart that you are pure, you are true, you are honest. And if you know that, then that is done. What others are doing is their problem. Leave it. Leave it. So coming to your point, right? Every time you had a surprise shock, the way you're saying, that has improved you as a person. You started doing the things which you were not doing before.
I should be awarded for the amount of energy and courage that I had.
So from where it is coming? It is coming. Shocks are good. Surprises are good for you. They are working out for you.